Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In today's lesson, I will teach you on how to install and configure remote administrator tool. This tool is a Microsoft tool. It's free from Microsoft to allow the client to access to the Active Directory or Windows Server without remoting. Okay, so now let's go together. This means that like in the last session, I teach you on how we delegate the permission to user. So to IT help desk and IT help desk, they need to remote to our server to reset and to add the new user. But in this lesson, we also have the tool without remoting. We can install it in on Windows 10 or Windows 11, and then we can use it without remote. Okay, so now we need to download the tool first. Okay, now I'm going to download the tool. Okay, wait a bit. Okay, okay, I go to Google. Okay, and then I type administrator tool. Okay, see, it's my Windows 10, so I can click Windows 10. This one it means RSAT A1. Download RSAT. Okay, RSAT that means remote server administrator tool. Can download it. I click download. Okay, and then they ask us whether you use uh, which version. Okay, so mostly it's 64. Download. Okay, now it's download. After download, we can install this tool together. Okay, this tool I install on Windows 7 client, Windows 10, the client machine, she Windows 10. Okay, it's computer name my client. Let's join to domain. Okay, I click run. When we download, it come here. I run again. Okay, run. Okay, so it's requiring the administrator password. So let's see the installation. You can click update. Set. So we wait until the installation success. Okay, so after success, just hit close. Okay, and then we find here. Administrative. I put administrative tool. Okay, you see here, when you type administrative tool, it have all the service from what we have download. It have Active Directory user. For example, this user he have access to create, delete the user in the previous session. Okay, I can also create the user from here without remote, right? Okay, here is my on my client. So this tool is very good for you. and the permission that we give, it's based on what you do in the group policy, whether the user have access to this tool or not. Like this user, I can access Active Directory user and computer. What if I go to another? For example, I go to DNS, connect. They said the server is unavailable. Would you like to add anyway? Okay, you see here, we don't have the permission. Okay, we don't have the permission. This new server cannot, because this already server name. You cannot do anything. If I go to group policy management, okay, I go here, I go here, I go here, okay, I go here. Okay, let's say you see, cannot edit, cannot link. You see, cannot create new. What if I delete? Would you like to delete organizational unit? Okay, for example, I delete this one, delete this one, IT. Okay, you see, access is denied because I don't allow the permission. Access is denied. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. I hope that you find this video useful. See you in the next video.